Hey everyone, welcome back to Gifty's Kitchen Delights, and for today's recipe I'm going to share with you how I make my chicken tandoori wrap. This recipe includes chicken that is loaded with tandoori flavor. It has the salad to go over the chicken, and for some freshness, a mint yogurt sauce. This is one of my favorite chicken wrap and I cannot wait to share with you guys. So let's get started. In a bowl of 4 chicken thighs that is thinly sliced or cubed, add in 2 tablespoons of Tandoori Masala, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Also 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and about a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Mix the seasoning with the chicken and cover and marinate for at least an hour so that the flavors can infuse into the chicken. Meanwhile, let's make the salad. I got here 1 carrot that I shredded in the food processor, 1 yellow bell pepper that I thinly julienned, and 1 cucumber that I thinly julienned as well. Add in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and a pinch of salt. Mix till everything is combined and set this aside. Now for the mint yogurt sauce, roughly chop up 1 sprig of mint leaf and add it into 1/3 cup of yogurt. Now add in about 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of water, and salt to taste. Stir this sauce really well and refrigerate till ready to eat. Now to cook the chicken, place a pan over medium heat and add in about a tablespoon of cooking oil. I normally use coconut oil for this recipe. Now add in the tandoori flavored chicken into the pan and cook the first side for about 7 minutes. Alright, this has been cooking for about 7 minutes on the first side. Now it's time to turn the chicken. Once all the chicken are turned, cook this side for about 6 to 7 minutes. This also depends on how thick you cut your chicken. Once the chicken is cooked, transfer the chicken into a bowl or plate. Alright, it's time to put the wraps together. I'm using whole wheat tortillas today that I already warmed up in a pan, but you can also use roti or flatbread instead. Spread the mint yogurt sauce onto each tortilla. Spoon in a generous amount of salad into the middle. And top this with the chicken. Finally, wrap up the tortilla over the filling and enjoy this delicious wrap. This is a perfect recipe when you're craving tandoori chicken. And if you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You can also find all of my links down below, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!